welcome to Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on something a little bit special to have in our used car stock. So we've got a 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross in the ES Black Edition. Now I'll point out what makes it the Black Edition as well. Starting off at the front for you. Now you've got that really nice black grille with the Mitsubishi badge right in the middle in the chrome, along with your chrome surrounds as well that sort of give you the dynamic shield front for the Eclipse Cross. Really nice big projector headlights in this model as well, with your daytime running light running through the bottom. So that daytime running light will be on all the time when the car is on, and with those projector headlights you're going to get a nice clear beam of light that'll cut off nicely for you as well where you don't need it. Down the bottom, fog lights and indicators as well. Now coming around, being the Black Edition, we've got the black alloy wheels as well, so they look really good in that design, and really nice tyres on the front there. Colour match side mirror and door handle as well, and your indicator is built into that side mirror there, again just to clean up that front quarter panel for you and let everyone know you're wanting to indicate. When you do lock the car, your mirrors do fold in, and when you unlock it they do unlock. Now looking on the inside, being that it is the ES, you do get that really nice cloth interior. Now being the Black Edition, you do get the black roof lining as well, and all four of your windows are automatic in the Black Edition. Now closing that one back up, one thing I do like to point out in the Eclipse Crosses is that this door does scoop under the body of your car, or not just this door, all of your doors. So when you are getting in and out, you're not going to get any dirt on the back of your pants or anything. Privacy glass on the back, so that is just a dyed glass. So we can obviously tint the front windows for you as well to match up, but it is obviously an additional cost, but it will look really good as well. Coming around to the back, probably my favourite part of the Eclipse Cross, you get that really nice brake light through your rear tail light, and you get that nice rear spoiler with the wiper embedded up in there. With that spoiler, again being the Black Edition, you do get the black spoiler. Opening up the back, heaps of room for anything that you might need in the back, and it does come with the cargo blind, and then you also have a spare wheel underneath there as well, so nice and easy for when you do need it. Reverse camera is just in there as well. Now you will notice it's towards the left, obviously that is because we parallel park on the left, so it'll give you more view for your parking. 4 colour matched reverse sensors on the back as well. One thing more just to take note of, your fuel filler cap is on your passenger side, that is the safe side as well. And another thing that does make this the Black Edition is that skirting along the bottom there in that nice piano black as well. Otherwise it would be a sort of brushed chrome. So what we'll do now guys is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Looking under the bonnet now, you've got a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, so you know your shifts are going to be really nice and smooth in this one. On the safety side of things, you have a 5-star NCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout. And you also have, with this engine, 110 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque. Now, being obviously a petrol, you can run this car on 91. You do have a 63 litre capacity tank, using about 3 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average of 863 kilometres to a tank. Now, we do also get this extra strap bracing, the 3-point strap bracing as well, that does just give you a bit more handling and control in this vehicle as well. As inside the Eclipse Cross now, and starting on the driver's side door, you've got a few really nice textures. So you do get a padded leather sort of armrest, a carbon fibre finish surrounding all of your controls, and a nice piano black on the top there with your door handle. On the actual handle itself, you do have all of your power mirror controls with the little button that folds them in. Just above, you've got all of your power window controls, and they are all automatic up and down. And above that, your central locking and your window lock as well. Just behind the steering wheel, we've got a few other buttons as well. So you do have your traction control, your front collision mitigation settings, your parking sensor on and off, and your little dial for your angle in your headlights. So if you have a bit of weight in the back and your headlights are pointing up to the sky, you can bring them back down as well. On the right hand stalk, we do have our indicators left and right, headlight and fog light controls. You do have automatic headlights in this model, so that's nice and easy for you as well. And you have automatic high beams as well. So you would have to turn that on every trip, but if your car doesn't sense any light around, it'll turn them on for you. On the left-hand stalk, you've got all your washer and wiper controls front and rear, with automatic wipers on the front as well. On the steering wheel itself, really nice leather wrap steering wheel, really comfortable to hold as well, with that piano black trim running through as well. All your cruise control settings are on the right hand side with your speed limiter, and then all your entertainment controls are on the left, so your volume, seeking mode and your Bluetooth. You also got your paddle shifts on the back, so if you did want to put this into the sports shift, you can shift through your gears with the paddles or with the shifter. Now moving into the centre display, you do get all your different entertainment options through here. So you do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AM/FM radio, digital radio, all your Bluetooth connectivity, general iPod and USB as well. Now you can use this with the touchscreen itself or with the trackpad that is down below your shifter. And if you did want to use the trackpad and you were struggling with some of the gestures, there is a full tutorial on there for you. And there is some hard buttons as well on the trackpad too, so home, apps, audio and back as well. Now you do get a really nice display reverse camera on this screen as well. So obviously you can see your rear bar there, and you've got the green lines to guide you in and the red one to tell you when to stop. So yeah, really nice display Mitsubishi's gone for there. Just underneath you have your hazard lights, all of your passenger seatbelt alarms as well, and your single zone climate control. So just on some nice easy buttons there. Eco mode as well, so even if you did want to just drive this car a little bit more economically, you can. 2 USB sockets, so you'll probably use that for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. 12-volt socket, bit of storage there as well. Automatic shifter as mentioned before, and then bumping it to the left does put you into your sports shift as well. Below, trackpad again as mentioned before, hard handbrake, 2 nicely sized cup holders, and then inside your leather wrapped armrest you do have a bit of storage and then plenty more storage as well for anything else you might need. I'll just let the camera person pan around a little bit, show you the interior of the vehicle, how nice it does look and how well it represents as well, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. That wraps up our walk around video on this stunning Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Obviously if you have any questions or you want to book in a test drive, please give us a call on 9907 0555. Now just a couple of things before I go. This car does qualify for the premium mechanical protection plan that we do offer. It is an additional cost, but it will give you way more benefits than you do think. So it'll give you another 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometres of coverage on parts in the car, and it'll give you 10 years of roadside assist as well. So please ask us about that one. One thing I would definitely also recommend taking up being a black vehicle is the glass coat. You do want to keep this paintwork in pristine condition, and that will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork against bird droppings, bat droppings, insect etching, fading, all of that fun stuff that you don't want to ruin your paintwork. Now just one last thing, please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews at the moment. So you can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership and with the right people and getting an excellent quality vehicle as well. So once again, that number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby and thank you for watching.